Good morning, darlings. Okay, so this is going to be the blue demonstration. So I'm just going to demonstrate how to find cold ocean water nearby by looking at the color differences. So first we need to know that for blue, we're not going to be working with current map. We're actually going to be working we are going to be working in current map, but we're going to be looking at surface mode. So notice that when we change it to surface mode, we see these temperatures. So if I'm looking at this, I'm noticing that the warm temperatures are deep, dark red, right? 40 degrees Celsius, which we know is pretty warm. And the cool temperatures are in this deep blue, right? And we see negative 10 degrees Celsius. And then it ranges this color range up here. So if you want to get an idea of what these colors look like at different points, right, we'll be able to match it. So without our currents moving, as we expect, we would see warm temperatures towards the equator and cool temperatures towards the poles. And we're going to watch and see what happens. And you guys are going to record your observations and answer those part 1 questions. So I hope this helps you demonstrate. I hope this helps demonstrate what you guys have to look for today. Okay, have a good day.